I'm Forrest Saunders standing outside the state capitol. Supporters of that effort to undo Florida's 6-week abortion ban feeling frustrated Tuesday night. They're upset after state officials created new ballot language talking about the financial impact of Amendment 4.
Those behind an effort to end Florida's 6-week abortion ban and return the state to about 24 weeks.
Yes on 4! Yes on 4!
Not happy Tuesday. The campaign and its supporters condemning the state's new financial impact summary for Amendment 4, which is now set to get printed on this year's November ballot.
Right now, we have a financial impact statement that is speculative beyond speculative.
That's Yes on 4's campaign chief, Lauren Brinzel. She thinks the statement has misleading and inflammatory abortion language. Excerpts like this of particular concern, saying there is, quote, uncertainty about whether the amendment will require the state to subsidize abortions with public funds and impact the budget. Plus, the suggestion that an increase in abortions, quote, may negatively affect the growth of state and local revenues over time.
All of this is just to ensure that they get to put buzzwords on the ballot that don't speak to what the initiative actually does, which is, again, to end Florida's near total abortion ban with no real exemptions.
When it comes to next steps, the campaign says its attorneys are already exploring all options, which could include a return to the courts. It all comes after a more than 10-hour Monday meeting of state economists who battled over what should and shouldn't be included in that statement, revising it after the 6-week ban started in May.
Okay, good morning. Welcome to the Financial Impact Estimating Conference.
Economist Amy Baker felt it was too soon to say public funds like Medicaid would be required to cover access, and she sought a simpler statement that didn't include speculation about potential legal battles.
You have to think it's probable not only that someone is going to bring the case, which we can all probably get to a probable on that, but that the state is going to lose that case.
Chris Spencer, who works with the governor's office, pushed back.
We know that the litigation is going to come. So we don't know what the court's going to do about it, but this litigation is going to come. And one of the outcomes could be very expensive for Medicaid because we're going to be covering services now that we otherwise weren't.
Spencer estimated Florida Medicaid may have to absorb the cost of up to 48,000 procedures a year, the current state average. Baker, however, noted that abortions are cheaper than long-term child support.
The next step here may be up to the courts if Yes on 4 does file another legal challenge, but we're also going to be waiting to see what the polling says, if this new financial impact statement has any impact on what voters think ahead of the November election. That's the latest out here at the state capitol. I'm Forrest Saunders reporting.